got a big box of die-casts here. You know, I hate doing unboxing kind of videos, but I mean, you just can't resist this time. This is everything that I got from the Black Friday sale with Circle B. Craftsman. Let's pop it open and see what we got. I don't really remember half the stuff that I bought. Trying to do this left-handed because the camera's set up right in the middle. There we go. Alright, and clean it all up later. Now, the vast majority of stuff in here is not actually for me. I mean, I bought it, but it's going to be for diecast projects for other people. But you just can't pass up deals like this. So let's see what the heck we got in here, because like I said, I don't remember half the things I bought. This one I remember was incredibly cheap, so I couldn't pass it up. Oh, get off tissue paper. Old Ambrose Ford. You can use this for ARCA, even though no ARCA teams run Fords. And they're going to the Mustangs anyway, but I mean, it was like 15 bucks, so you gotta get on that. What else? What else? More Chevy SS. ARCA's still running them. It's the benefit with using older cup cars, at least for now. So I know the cup cars from a couple years ago had like tiny spoilers, so I don't know if ARCA's going to work for that. But they're tape shut. I'm not going to open the ones that are tape shut. But yeah, you can get cars for cheap because they're older and they're getting cleared out by places like Circle B. So much packing material. That's another Dylan, same thing. Oh, we got some little ones hiding here. Bubba Wallace. I think I wanted to get this one a while back, but they just kept selling out of it or something. I don't remember. I know it was early 1/64ths and the 23 were kind of hard to get, but not hard to get now. That's for me. What else? More goodies. Cheap promo cars for future use. And future use on my display shelf. Thank you, BJ McLeod. Been wanting to get one of these for a while. Pretty cool. Last era of the pre-next gen. Will be missed for paint designs. I hate the new number. I get it, but I still hate it. Akinori Ogata. Some Toyota trucks. Actually going to be using this in a project for the bread man, Brad Perez. It's good to be making one of his trucks from last year out of this. I think I got 2 of these. Oh man, there's a huge mess below me. Hey, we got another one. Who is this? Is it Hocevar? Yeah, Carson Hocevar. I don't have any of his yet. God bless Plan B, Circle B, because without them, there would be no 1/64th scale trucks, pretty much at all. Like, all of Nice and everybody else that was getting ones done. Circle B, Plan B on the hood or on the sides. And I guess no one else can make minimum quantity or just doesn't care. So, like, if you look the last couple of years, pretty much all of the trucks have been made or their sponsorship. So, thank you. Unironically, thank you, because, you know, at least someone's doing it. Vinyl racing. Oh, promo car. Something sounds kind of loose. That's not good. Another SS for ARCA. It's coming loose in here. Oh, I guess it's just the screws. Okay, the hood flaps. No, hood flaps. Roof flaps. It doesn't matter. It's getting torn down anyway. We got a long way to go in here. A long way to go. A lot of packing peanuts. Alright. Gracie Trotter. I haven't actually seen one of these in person before. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it as is or use it for some other Toyota. It's just kind of cool to see a purpose-made ARCA car. Not very many that I didn't make myself. The majority of the ones out there I think I made. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. I don't know about the name on the rail there. It's a little funky. But it's a cool looking piece. Yeah, I don't know what I'll do with it. We'll see, but I got a good deal. More little ones. I think this one I got just because I liked it. Penske had a really good run of cars for Keselowski and Logano, and not so much Blaney, but some of their stuff just a couple years ago was really good. And oh, Dinger, yeah, I haven't had any of Colley's Cup cars yet. A couple of their Xfinity. I don't know what else I got buried in here. It's not over. God bless whoever packed all these in here. It's a heck of a job. Got Jeb Burton Xfinity for some kind of future Xfinity use. I mean, the Xfinity Camaros haven't changed much at all, and just about all the teams in the series seem to run them. So, future projects. That's like a game show trying to dig. I'm like Family Double Dare digging through the, oh, no one knows what that is. Digging through things. Thad Moffat, oh, another ARCA car. That's right. There was a Ford team for a little while. Yeah, I like this one. It's a shame that Thad's NASCAR stuff didn't really work out. He was starting to get the hang of it towards the end, and it was kind of cool to have that petty connection. Hood, okay, good. Hood works. I like it. I think I'm going to keep this one. Look to do something with the trotter. Not a lot of 46s out there either. Hasn't been run very much in any of the other series. Get out of here. That didn't sound good. Alright, we got another Ogata. Is that it? I'll go through all this later. I'm not feeling anything else in here, but holy cow, what a haul. Thank you, Circle B. You guys got this out really fast. I ordered it on Black Friday, Black whatever week, and early December it's already here. Thanks again. See y'all.